Welcome to the YouTube channel Educative Masu. Today in this video we are going to solve all the assessment quiz questions from NISTA FLN course 3 Understanding Learners How Children Learn. So without any further delay, let's get started. First question of FLN course 3. What is meant by interaction with adults? Correct answer is parent and teachers get involved and support children's learning. Next question. What are the correct examples of learning through art? Correct answer is creating body shapes and identifying patterns of movement, etc. Next question. What is meant by creative intelligence? Correct answer is addressing ideas and problems in novel and often unexpected ways. Next question. What kinds of material are required for the discovery area? Correct answer is magnifying glass and magnets. Next question. What should be the role of a teacher in the learning of children? Correct answer is facilitator. Next question. What influences most children's preferences to learning? Correct answer is brain wiring, history, gender and personal experiences. Next question. What leads to a child's different learning styles and the rate of learning? Correct answer is ways to absorb the information, analyze the situation and make decision. Next question. When is a positive correlation seen between the current schoolwork and future academic or career goals of children? Correct answer is when children are involved in work that they enjoy. Next question. When do children learn better? Correct answer is when they engage in hands-on activities. Next question. How many senses do we have? Correct answer is 5. Next question. What is the full form of NCF 2005? Correct answer is National Curriculum Framework 2005. Next question. What are the 5 senses? Correct answer is see, taste, touch, smell, hear. Next question. A child's previous learning experiences are derived from? Correct answer is everyday experiences they encounter. Next question. What are the 4 modes of information? Correct answer is visual, auditory, kinesthetic and textual. Next question. What is the term used for hands-on experience? Correct answer is learning by doing. Next question. Once teachers have discovered children's learning needs, what should they do? Correct answer is tailor the learning plan or the instructional process. Next question. Maximum learning happens when? Correct answer is all senses are involved in learning. Next question. What includes pre-existing interest? Correct answer is child has a strong interest or passion for something. Next question. What are the names of the 3 ways to predict children's needs? Correct answer is knowing children's interest, knowing preferences, knowing learning styles. Next question. What are the correct examples of activity or interest areas? Correct answer is art, discovery block, music. Next question. What do we mean by knowing learning styles? Correct answer is personal preferences. Next question. What should be done when space is less to arrange all activity or interest areas in the classroom at a time? Correct answer is arrange at least 4 at a time and rotate or change every 15 days. Next question. The main purpose of the activity or interest areas is to give children an opportunity to. Correct answer is play and participate in events of their choice. Next question. What kind of interests come under knowing children's interest? Correct answer is pre-existing interest and potential interest. Next question. What is the main feature of the activity or interest areas to ensure safety of the children? Correct answer is accessible from all sides of the classroom. Next question. How many types of interaction are there in a classroom? Correct answer is 3. Next question. Children with high levels of creative intelligence are? Correct answer is frequently divergent thinkers. Next question. How many ways are there to predict a child's needs? Correct answer is 3. Next question. Children who ask many questions can be? Correct answer is inquisitive. Next question. What should a teacher do before the start of the learning experiences? Correct answer is discover children's learning needs. Next question. Who is the center of the teaching learning process? Correct answer is children. Next question, access to the natural world beyond the classroom and hands-on experience are the examples of boosting what kind of intelligence? Correct answer is analytical intelligence. Next question, learning is. Correct answer is an active, collaborative and social process. Next question, what includes potential interest? Correct answer is interest to which children have not been exposed and might become strong ones once exposed. Next question, what is meant by interaction with material? Correct answer is children engage with a range of learning or play material. Next question, what are the three types of interactions in the classroom? Correct answer is peer interaction, adult interaction and material interaction. Next question, grouping preference means. Correct answer is preferred interaction like working alone, with a partner, in a small or large group. Next question, what should children do to become active and autonomous learners? Correct answer is be inquisitive, take initiative, be confident, inventive and reflective. Next question, being reflective helps children. Correct answer is use their prior experiences in dealing with new situations and experiences. Next question, what is the meaning of children learn holistically? Correct answer is children absorb information from all sources at once.